If you purchase a new or used vehicle from a dealership, there's no question about it. You'll be asked if you want to also buy an extended car warranty. And depending on the dealer, they may try to convince you that you have to have one in order to fully protect your vehicle. Before you find yourself in this situation, it's worth your while to learn more about how an extended car warranty works. Only then will you truly be able to decide for yourself whether or not it's worth the extra money to purchase one. Most new vehicles on the market today come with a manufacturer's warranty. Although they vary greatly in specifics, these warranties let you know that the manufacturer stands behind their work. They will pay for certain covered repairs during a specified time period after purchase, typically 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. For an additional fee, you may purchase an extended car warranty on either a new or used vehicle. Usually, this covers specified repairs after the original manufacturer's warranty has run out. Sometimes there is overlap between the two. No one likes to spend more money than they have to, and buying a new or used vehicle can be stressful enough without adding in more expense. That's why it's important to understand why you might want to buy an extended car warranty and why it may not be worth your while. Peace of mind is the main reason why car owners purchase an extended warranty. They want some assurance that if something major goes wrong with their vehicle, they won't have to come up with the money to repair it. Additionally, most extended warranties cover major auto repairs, ones that could be very expensive to fix. If the cost of the warranty is less than the cost of these repairs, you could actually save money by having one. On the other hand, a lot of people who buy an extended car warranty don't end up using it. This happens if major repairs simply aren't needed, or if they get rid of the vehicle before these repairs do come up. Sometimes the cost of covered repairs is actually cheaper than the price tag on the warranty. This means you could actually save money by simply paying out of pocket for the needed repairs. Even with an extended warranty, you may come across vehicle repairs that aren't included. That means you could be stuck with a large repair bill that you weren't expecting. Lastly, your extended car warranty may require that covered repairs be completed at a specific dealership or auto repair shop. That could leave you having to cover a large bill if you're out of the area when repairs are needed. If the list of cons seems longer than the pros, you're absolutely right. Many vehicle owners find that the extra cost of an extended car warranty simply doesn't outweigh the benefits of having one. At Good Works Auto Repair, we know that maintaining your vehicle is important, and so is peace of mind when it comes to auto repairs. We stand behind our work with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, so you can rest assured our repairs are made to last. We also hire ACE-certified technicians. You and your vehicle deserve the best, and that means quality care from highly trained professionals. Lastly, we're proud to provide top-quality auto repairs at affordable prices every single day. Are you ready for even more peace of mind than an extended car warranty can offer? Simply give us a call to schedule an appointment today.